Great tips to boost your affiliate marketing. Large numbers of people are turning to affiliate marketing as a way to make good money in today's difficult economic times. It is not easy to make huge profits as an affiliate marketer, so before getting started it would be wise to research the most effective affiliate marketing strategies so that you can utilize them for yourself. This video contains a number of good affiliate marketing tips. Pick affiliate programs that are related to the general topic of your website. Readers visit your website because they like the content. They may have needs related to the subject of the site, or something, hopefully subtle, in your writing made them think of a product that they need. By choosing the right ads, and not having every possible ad on your site, you will build their trust and make a lot of money. To increase your revenues while acting as an affiliate, it's a great idea to actually market your own products. The great part here is that you don't even have to create it yourself. You can find the resell rights for many great information products and offer them for low prices on your site, or even hold 2-for-1 deals. Look into the payment structure of any affiliate program you are considering. Some offer a lifetime payout, while others offer a limited payout, such as per sale, or 30 to 90 days. Make sure that you are able to frequently check your balance to learn how much you are owed and how much has been paid out. As was discussed at the beginning of this video, as a result of today's difficult economic times and high unemployment rates, many people are looking to get involved in affiliate marketing as a way to make extra money. The key to having success as an affiliate marketer is knowing the right way to market your product. Apply the solid advice from this video and you'll be on your way to finding success as an affiliate marketer. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.